The United States has made a very big move and they have banned foreign-made humanoid robots, targeting China over national security issues. The FCC said that the advanced robots produced in foreign countries pose supply chain vulnerabilities to the US as well as cybersecurity and national security risks. The US Federal Communications Commission is banning imports of new foreign-made humanoid robots and power inverters, citing national security risks in a move that targets China. Now, many people in the US have actually bought humanoid robots that comes to them in a box, and these robots are quite advanced. The measures are likely to test relations with Beijing ahead of the planned US visit by Chinese leader Xi Jinping to meet with US President Donald Trump in September. China dominates the global market for humanoid robots with an estimated market value share of roughly 85%. So they by far have the majority humanoid robots. What's interesting that it's humanoid robots being banned and not other robots. So this is more about control than anything else. But I find it interesting that a blanket ban would come out. I don't know what's going to happen to the people that have already ordered their robots, that have their robots now. What are they going to do to the robots? Are there any protocols in place with regards to what you're supposed to do with those? The FCC's ban also include new import of quadruped robots, often referred to as four-legged robot dogs. The agency said imports of advanced robots pose cybersecurity and other national security risks. Offshore production of such equipment also leaves US supply chains vulnerable to disruptions. The ban on power inverters, which are used to convert direct current electricity into alternating current electricity, typically with solar panels, etc., and are used in renewable energy systems, data centers, and household appliances, could have sweeping ramifications. Because at the moment, China dominates that market too. The FCC chair, Brendan Carr, said Tuesday that the move was to secure America's critical supply chains. He said the bans apply to new versions of such imports. So it looks like if you imported anything before, that you could still use those. It follows a slew of US restrictions on imports of Chinese products, including drones, and on exports of US advanced technology to China. So this is a reshaping of the global power structures, especially when it comes to manufacturing. And tell me in the comments how you think this will affect the world, because I can certainly not give my opinion, as it will be flagged terribly. And I will give my opinion in the interactive meeting, members interactive meeting at 8 o'clock tonight, as well as in the members meeting, community members meeting at 8:30 tomorrow night. So see you there. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. Click the bell icon so you can become part of this larger community of people that want to maintain as much freedom as possible. Till the next video.